Your hair is just so beautiful.
I feel like my hair's on my nose.
Well, that's true. It is on your nose. You do love that. It's gonna flatten out. It's just. Okay, so when you get up there, put your hair over one shoulder. Are we going for like, I don't know, you look like you're gonna be in Bridgerton, some sort of fancy hairdo. Look at me. You look beautiful, Jane. Hey, we are on to part 2 of our back to school organizing systems / routines. I'm gonna talk about hair. So this is how I keep track of all of the hair stuff we need for in the morning, getting everybody ready quickly so they can get out the door. I have 4 girls with long hair. We have so much hair to do every day. So if I don't have this all set up, it's just a huge pain in the butt. So, and also I have it so that my husband, because my husband actually takes over, I'm gonna talk about this later, but my husband takes over every other morning. And I have learned how to let go of the reins, and I make sure that this system works for him too. So he does their hair every other day, and then I do their hair, and they're different, and that's fine. Some days he's doing like a low pony or he's leaving it down, and then I do it, and it's like bubble braids or space buns or whatever. That's fine. You know what? At first I was like, but that's not how I would do it. That's fine. That's a whole nother video. We're gonna talk about that, but that's been like a huge weight off my shoulders this year. Okay, so let's talk about how this works for me. So this is our half bathroom. We have an actual bathroom upstairs that has more cupboard space under it. This one has like hardly anything, more than some, but less than a lot. That's what works for us though, because it's like right near the main part of our house. It's right near the front door. I can do it. I can call them over here and then they can kind of run out the door or to the garage. It's just very central location wise. So this is the best spot for it. It's not a huge bathroom, but my kids are small and so it's fine. Sorry, I'm shoving a couch out of the way so we can fit you in here. Here, let me take you in here. Welcome to the bathroom. I'm sure you wanted a full-on tour, right? These are my toddler's potty training. Those are her treats. Oh yeah, I made these myself. I designed these myself. They're supposed to be Barbie inspired for my cleaners for my bathroom. Okay, so, gosh, I hope this is smooth enough that you're not gonna get sick. Okay, sorry, I had to go grab my little stabilizer so you guys wouldn't just get sick from me dragging you all around. Okay, here we go. Oh, also, I was going to say, real quick, if you're new here, sorry, you're probably like, what is going on here? Why is this filming so horrible? If you're new here, I'm Jessica Gish. I have 4 little girls. They are ages 9, 5, 7, and 2. That's out of order, but 4 little girls, lots of long hair. We have a lot of fun. I'm very like active and fitness, and I love to do lots of outdoorsy things, but also I like to be a mom, and I like homemaking, and I like just all of it. So if that's anything you want to see, or also seasons, I love all of the change of seasons and the holidays and all the decorating. So I make a lot of those types of videos. If you like that sort of thing, please hit the subscribe button and stick around, because maybe you'll like it. I don't know. All right, let's go check this out. Okay, so the lighting in here isn't gonna be great. I'm sorry, there's not too much I can do about that. This is our cute little bathroom. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing, I love this thing. This is the diffuser I got off of the recommendation of Angie Belmare, who always does the most fun holiday decorating videos, but this lasts forever. I put essential oils in it. Hold on, this isn't even part of it, but after I got that one, I was like, oh, I love it so much. I got another one. and this one holds so much water. This goes for a full day and then into the night. I put it on in the morning, and then sometimes I'll even wake up if I put it like late morning, and it'll still be going the next morning. So that's pretty incredible. Plus I just like the lights change inside of it, and it looks like mercury glass. I use these inside of it. So the Far and Wild oils, and I really like peppermint, but when I don't use just their peppermint, which smells amazing. None of this is sponsored, just feel like I should say that. I bought these all, and this one is my favorite. It's called Sunshine. And if they wanted to ever send anything my way, I would not be mad, because I love these oils, and I actually just ordered the autumn one. They have like an autumn kit so that my house can smell like fall. Anyways, that's a side note. Let me put this away. So we have, this is the cupboard that I have. It doesn't go all the way to the floor, so that's what I was talking about. It's not like the biggest cupboard, but it's plenty for us. I have everything that I need to be like every single day mobile. So this is the thing that I was gonna say. This is the most important step. This, like right on the top of here, whoop, is the whole, this is anything I would need if I just needed to grab it and go. Okay, I bring this with me everywhere I go. If I am, if I have to run to like a dance recital, I bring this. If we're going camping, I bring this. If we're going just in the car and we didn't have time to do hair before we left, we bring this. If I have, I don't know, long trip anywhere, we bring this. If we're going, like if they were at school all day and their hair looks crazy and we're on our way to dance, I throw this in the car. This is my saving grace as far as hair goes. This is what we are mostly here to talk about, but let's go through everything else and then I'll show you what's in the box. Okay, so what else we have? I used to try all of the bow hanging organizers. I made a few different kinds and they never work because nobody actually wants to take the time to hang up their bows. The kids can't, they don't do it, and I don't do it either, to be honest. So this is great. I set the hairspray in here because this is like the everyday hairspray, but I started just putting their bows in this Dollar Tree little basket, and this is my favorite thing now. So this is just where their bows go. I just throw them in there and it's fine. This is their headbands. We have their bun things. So they do dance. So for dance recitals, we need these little bun formers, and then they have like for dance also things that look fun over the top of a bun. So these are holidays, all of our fun holiday things. Look at these, aren't these cute? My sister-in-law got this for us from Etsy somewhere, but it's a little bat bow. They're adorable. There's a set of 2 of those. Okay, so we have like St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, Halloween. I think there's Valentine's maybe in there. Most of those are from my mom because she's adorable and she always gets fun things like that for us. This is where I put extra brushes, extra sprays, and then I have like extra elastics, extra bobby pins. This is where I keep the extra stuff because I'm gonna need that stuff. My kids get into the hair stuff all the time and stuff gets lost. This is where I have like clips, little clips, bobby pins, butterfly clips, claw clips, and then fun elasticy things all go in here. And then I have beads over here. Those don't really have a good spot. So this is one hard thing about this is I feel like it took over most of the cupboard, but usually I keep like a toilet bowl cleaner right here, and then I have extra soaps back there, and then I already showed you my cleaners are up here. This isn't supposed to be a bathroom tour, but I guess there you go. All right, and then we have like a hot brush back here and then a curling iron. Honestly, I never use those on their hair. Maybe once a year, maybe twice, like recital and picture day, but recital's buns, we don't actually use those. Picture day for dance, and then a picture day for school. Other than that, we don't use the curling iron on their hair because they actually have naturally wavy hair and I just don't like to use heat on it. Okay, so I just keep the hairspray right here, or I just toss it in there because I use it all the time and it doesn't fit in here. But let's get into what's in the box. I'm gonna bring it out here. The lighting's a little better. Okay, so the box itself is not nice and clean. Sorry about that. But I literally throw it in my car constantly. I think it's fine. Okay, so let's open it up. We have, oh man, we actually need to refill it. Hold on. Okay, so here's what we have inside. I keep some sort of a spray, detangling spray, or just a spray bottle with water. So that is the first thing I keep in here. I also keep 1 or 2 of these clips. So if I'm doing like a braiding hairstyle where I need the rest of the hair to get out of my way. And just so you know, your kids do not have to be in school for this to be helpful for you. So seriously, like if you think this could be helpful, I will link this box. I actually got this on recommendation from my cousin. And this is what she's used for all of her girls. She has 3 girls who are older than my girls. And this works really well for her too. So this is, like I said, detangling spray or water. I switch off which one I put in here. Usually if this empties out, I'll just fill it with water and keep it in there. Clip to keep their extra hair out of the way when I'm doing certain hairstyles. This is my favorite kind of scrunchie, hair tie, whatever you want to call it. But one of my girls has really thick hair and then the rest have really fine hair, and these work for both. So that has been really nice. I mean, they're still kids, so I don't know if you have like one of those massive 2-hand ponytails. I don't know if these would work for you, but they stretch really far, like super far. So they still might work for you too. This is where I keep the bobby pins. So we have, and these are also my favorite kinds of bobby pins. Sorry, there's gonna be like hair in here. This is real life. I did not clean this for you, sorry. These are the bobby pins I like the best because they they stay in place where you put them. They don't slide out. And I have a hard time, I have a really fine textured hair and so do my girls, so things slide out of it really easily. This is where I keep the butterfly clips. We used to have more, but our dog chewed them up slowly but surely. He crunched them to smithereens. This is where I keep the fun little, like, you know, you remember these kinds? So these kind of just wrap around their little ponytails or whatever. Those are fun. Those go in here. And then I have little hair clips. So I like to keep these in here because if I'm going somewhere, I'm probably not gonna have like room to bring a bunch of bows. I wanna have some fun little accessories still. This pack I actually got from Amazon and it had 2 pinks, 2 blues, 2 light purples, and then 2 sets of rainbow and 2 white ones. And they're so cute, I love these. Or at least I think they came with 2. It might've come with just 1 and I bought 2 packs, I'm not sure. They stay really well in my little girl's hair and my bigger girl's hair. So I love those. And then over here, I like this. I like how big these are. So this is a wet brush. This one has Cinderella on it. She's kind of scratching off on there, but Cinderella. So I have Cinderella hairbrush. We also have a boar bristle brush. If you're not using a boar bristle brush on your girls' hair, especially if they have a fine textured hair, these work so well to smooth everything out, make it look more polished. I feel like not everybody knows that, so, you know, in case you didn't know that, probably you did, but if you didn't, then a comb. I usually have a comb with like the long metal end. My kids ran off with it. I don't know where it is, so when I find it, it'll be back in here. So a comb so I can part their hair, section it off for braids and things like that, but I like to have some sort of smoothing brush, some sort of detangling brush. Both of those go in there. And then sometimes I'll put like a hairspray on this side if I have a smaller bottle, but right now my hairspray is huge, so it won't fit there. All right, that is my hair box. That is our hair system. That's my organizing system for keeping everything under control, but also having lots of fun hairstyles in the mornings. And I will be back again with volume number 3 of this organizing / back to school systems series. So if that's something that you want to keep seeing, then please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and the thumbs up so I know that this was helpful for you. If it's not helpful for you, then I guess, you know, you can find probably lots of other fun things on YouTube, I'm sure. But it was really good to have you here. So thanks for stopping by. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya! You wanted 2 little toppies right here with flowers.
Yeah, they're flowers.
Okay.
1 mango, 1 pink.
You actually went potty, huh?
Mm-hmm. So you don't have, you go potty. You go potty.
I went pottied.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what were you gonna say about that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you're gonna say? Okay, turn around. Show me the back. Show off your pretty hair. Okay, and turn back around. So cute.